bafethu kunjani cameraman team mfokaswela Mswati lo mnanzi football fusion sibuyile with another one and angihambi ngiyi-one pakachuchu.
Wala bafethu kunjani ntoza abantu on your screen here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Hey, ziyahlekisa ezinye.
So bafethu, on this video we're looking at Orlando Pirates playing up against AmaZulu go Betway Premiership. But before singena ku game, let's just talk about how interesting it is at this moment in Betway Premiership. Every point counts.
Yeah, it's very interesting. Ngiqambela manga. Yabona. I'm on the I'm on the bad side of history. The way it looks like. I wouldn't lie to you. We wanted to win this league, but it looks like it has just slipped on our hands. We have no one to blame but ourselves.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're looking at your previous game, because obviously you're starting to blame yourself. You played a 2-2 draw up against Richards Bay.
Yeah.
Any comments you want to make on that game?
What I would say, Uguti, we have given a good account for ourselves.
Yeah.
There's nothing you can falter.
Yeah.
Yes, we can talk break or the penta. That's us facing the music, but our results there, we cannot falter anyone about them. Can't even falter the coach because of the opponent ngendlela ebeplaying ngakhona. I think we talked about this.
Yeah.
Ngasho ngathi Richards Bay coach wakhona is very technical, Papizotwana especially. I know there's the other fellow brother there, but Papizotwana, I wouldn't lie. In their game, to speak with draw, it was so hard. Okay. Yeah, but in the our coach does not have a plan B. We talked about that in the episode.
Yeah,
I would suggest that people go and watch that episode before really getting my statements and Kulmanga, because it's something that we talked about as is in improve.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, a very big shout out to Richards Bay. You drop crucial point there, and then now you feel like it's right?
Yeah.
Okay, but I can't comment on that. We're going to AmaZulu. I want to start by looking at AmaZulu, looking at their position, and they seem like a team that also wanna finish with top 3 type of thing. And then now you're going to play them. What do you make of them?
Atazwana ngingathi nje wenza umsebenzi omkhulu yabo, ngingamfanisa nabo uPapi, because ufanele nathi siyiqhenye ngocoach base. Our coaches, we must believe in them. What these coaches do esingayinaki thina sizomnaka ngoba seku-Sundowns, Pirates, Chiefs kanjalo. Yazi ukuthi they develop ama-players that you don't know. Uzoqala ukubazi ngoba becoachwa ibona. Kade ngizwa nje ucoach Manqoba ekhuluma ngoSithole. Sekufane ngihambe ngiyobuka uSithole, because he's saying that he wishes ukuthi ukhona kwiBafana. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And abadlali, it's a long-term project to develop these players. You can only see a glimpse of them, and then bese sebathatha thina ama-team amakhulu sesibasa laphaya. But these coaches, they are there with development yabo, or to teach them lezi zinto lezi abangazazi about professional football.
Yeah.
And that's essential. So I applaud Coach versus South Africa for that. Yeah. Indlela abacompete ngayo, given ama resources that they have. As I'm talking to you, it's just so impressive. Yeah.
So a very big shout out to Atazwana with what he's doing with AmaZulu and the position Abagiona. You know, they're not even scared about relegation or qualifying for top 8. It seems like we're safe, you know. The job is already done. It's just to maintain, to survive and all. But okay.
Even Golden Arrows. Coach Manqoba is building something huge. You see them outside top 8 and you judge them with those results. But it's impressive football in Golden Arrows.
Yeah. You have AmaZulu visiting the Arena. I don't know about you coming from this 2-2 ukuthi mhlambe yini ongayishintsha as much as the coach doesn't have option ukushilo nawe. So right now it's a new game, it's a new team. Senza njani?
I think izothini ukuthi it's a slaughterhouse lapha arena.
Okay,
I will have to say
okay.
that, you know.
Okay.
You watch our previous game that we played there, we won 5-0.
Yeah.
You could tell from the first minute, in fact, not first minute, first few seconds, we are in here to win it, you know?
Yeah.
So that energy I was talking about, they need to show us what they want this thing. That's why yes, loser, but I'm happy with the performances because at the end of the day, football there can only be one winner, you know.
Yeah.
But this is something that we can build on. It's a good foundation. Next season we're coming. Now we need experience because sometimes German is shana experience.
Yeah.
Which is something estinga uguba ndawonye even more as a group. You know. Yeah. So going into that game, I don't see any result besides doing what we need to do. Because at the end of the day, Pella, we league entirely. Sometimes still has other games to play, which if they drop points, then we can still be in it. But we can also make sure with Naatama games are as favor because goal wise we are doing well.
Yeah.
So it's just a matter of points now.
So you're compatible Amazulu or Panish?
Yeah. That's not the question.
Okay.
Yeah, another thing something I add between coach something about comparison right now, but it's just in something I improve on that. Coach Ada no coach Papi. Umehluko wabo, I think Richards Bay can impose themselves, even if they're playing away. Because I told you this analysis and it happened that way. It's because of when we played them a few weeks back, Orlando, we could tell with these people they have a good game plan.
Yeah.
And we are born with Coach Ata with a little bit of reserve. Yes. You can't impose themselves. Even when they were playing new, even Mamelodi Sundowns, you could tell what they respect the opponent. And with Coach Papi, it's a different story. Yeah.
No, I hear you. Yeah. So we're going to this game. I just want to touch on a few things. I think I'll move. You hardly consider Moko, right?
Yeah.
I could say Mhlampe, the goalkeeper, is no longer protected enoughly. So looking at these two goals that were scored by Richards Bay, it's rare to find each pirate to consider from Makul Agudi accepting Ganji.
Okay, ngizokutshela mina ukuthi why. That's my own analysis. Perfect.
Yeah.
Yes, goalkeeper, especially the second goal, could have done better.
Yeah.
Sengizolile goalkeeper. Ngibuyele kwi-back four. I-back four yami ngifuna ukupointa any lokhunjani, but I do feel ukuthi we miss Mbogazi. Yeah. Because of the mentality from the back, you know?
Yeah.
That we cannot get it now as we used to. Another thing, Usiema used to do those long balls, but little by little now we can see with Takasai.
Yeah.
And with Mbogazi, because Mbogazi is part of his game, long balls. He actually encouraged Usiema.
Yeah.
Yabo? Sibuye ke size kwi fault eyabakhona that day. Remember, I told you last time ukuthi iside lethu eli good laka right ilona side esidla ngalabantu
lasibelebele
but lelo side lelo le rely kwe midfield enjani quick yabo because sidlala ngomakhawula we couldn't get what we are getting between double pivot kahle kahle you could ngisho khamba umbatha you can tell ukuthi okay fine umbatha yes khamba usibele unemthejela it's the same thing even marking but it downside which is a good analysis from the team Richards Bay it's the fact that these people ngoba be double pivot kanje kune space vele esikhona la yabo
yeah
abayi-protect entirely, which is uMakhawula ngingasho ukuthi ila khona good khona yena, because akahambi phela yena kakhulu. He is always, reserved, udlala nje like unduli some sort.
Yeah.
Ilapho-ke la khona ama-goals zonke nje uwabona ashaya ngaphandle, because that part ayikho protected entirely. And another thing ayisho uCoach Papi, he mentioned ukuthi they were targeting Mbatha, ukuthi let him not play, and I could see that thing because was emasidini to actually, but he still had a good game, but you could tell ukuthi umaki. Yeah. So uyabona ukuthi all those things they contribute ekuthenini
I hope AmaZulu will come with a similar game plan. I want to see something.
Yeah.
And then again, lastly, I know we always speak good about him. We always have positive something to say about him. But people are also talking out there, they're losing patience. Buthuma not scoring goals.
Yeah, I think that's true. People are losing patience.
Yeah.
There was some analysis I watched. Yeah, very famous analyst here, Paula Lindo Pep.
Yeah.
Yes, I realized that thing. We bought a potential. That's why namanje we believe I do believe he will be better next season.
Yeah.
Obviously, he needs to put in some work when it comes to finishing, But Uteme competition and Mamelodi Sundowns, Buganje Sundowns, their previous game we kept who scored?
Leon.
Yes. That's a proven strike. You've got Reyners who failed go Super Sport in terms of delivery. Why go Stellenbosch, a team which believed in him. He got that opportunity, grabbed it with both hands. We are Sundowns, say let's say established player. You've got Luciano Lille, who's also a similar type, who in fact is their top goal scorer for that match all time. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Those are proven strikers. Are very air corner. So we bought a potential.
So you're saying we need to give Mbuthuma more time.
Yes.
He will grow.
He will grow eventually, but given what unikezwa a chance and not boo him or giving him the attitude he doesn't deserve it. Believe me, he deserves to play week in, week out.
Yeah.
You watch Mahopa, you can tell what Mahopa has changed a little bit in terms of usefuna ukukora more, but naye ke problem ngokukora more kuyena specifically ngathi kufanele practice ukushuta phela before akora.
Yeah.
Because now maningi ama chances that he got mengena when he was introduced in that game. Kodwa if umbukisisa kahle, he was trying to score even when he is supposed to pass,
Yeah.
He's doing something out of desperation more than ukuyenza patience.
I hear you.
Yeah.
I hear you. There you have it, Bafethu. Orlando Pirates up against AmaZulu Saturday. Comment down below ubani uhamba nayo. Ubani uhamba nayo. Okanye isimashile leso sazi. Comment time.
Bafethu, sicela ukuthi ningakhohlwa ukubuka ama videos ethu towards the end or up to the end. At least buku halfway for that match. The reason yalokho ukuthi we want to reach bigger audience, and do YouTube into ozobona ngayo ukuthi this audience is good for abantu. It's you watching it towards the end. We'll see you on another one.